Airports can feel more complicated than ever. New technology, longer lines, more self-service machines, more rules to remember. But what if I told you that many experienced travelers use simple airport strategies that most passengers completely overlook? Some can save you time, some can make your journey more comfortable, and some can help you avoid the stressful situations that many travelers experience at the airport. The interesting part? These are not expensive upgrades or exclusive benefits reserved only for frequent flyers. Many travelers don't realize that simple strategies, from making the most of airport services to finding more comfortable spaces before a flight, are available to far more passengers than they think. And one of these airport secrets might surprise you. A place many travelers assume is only for business class passengers may actually be accessible on your next trip. Especially for travelers over 50, knowing how airports work today can make the difference between a stressful travel day and a smooth one. In this video, I'll share 7 airport secrets experienced travelers know in 2026, and a few might surprise you. Before we get started, if you enjoy practical travel tips like these, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Every week we share simple ways to help travelers over 50 save money, avoid common travel mistakes, and enjoy more comfortable trips. And if you find this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you gave it a like. It lets me know you'd like to see more videos like this. Now let's get into the first airport secret. Secret number 1. The best airport experience starts before you arrive. Many travelers think the airport experience begins when they walk through the terminal. Experienced travelers know it starts much earlier. Before leaving home, they check their airline app, terminal information, baggage rules, security requirements, and any possible delays. This may sound simple, but many airport problems happen because travelers are reacting instead of preparing. A few minutes of planning at home can prevent a lot of stress later. Secret number 2. Not all airport security lines are equal. Many passengers automatically join the shortest-looking security line, but experienced travelers know there are other things to consider. Sometimes the closest checkpoint is not the fastest. Some lines may be designed for families, special assistants, or travelers with different needs. Some airports also have alternative security areas that many passengers overlook. Instead of only looking at the length of the line, look at the overall flow. And if you are unsure, don't hesitate to ask an airport employee. A simple question can sometimes save valuable time. Secret number 3. Airport lounges are not only for business travelers. Many travelers still believe airport lounges are only for frequent flyers or business class passengers. That is no longer always true. Today, many travelers can access lounges through certain credit cards, day passes, membership programs, or premium travel benefits. For travelers over 50, lounges can be especially valuable. A quiet place to sit, comfortable seating, restrooms nearby, sometimes food and drinks. After a long security process, having a calm space before a flight can completely change your airport experience. Before we continue, I would love to hear from you. Do you enjoy spending time at airports, or do you prefer arriving as late as possible and getting straight to the gate? And have you ever used an airport lounge? Share your experience in the comments below. Secret number 4. Airport staff often have more flexibility than you think. Many travelers assume airport employees simply follow a strict script. But experienced travelers understand that communication matters. A polite question can sometimes open possibilities. For example, you may have a seating concern, a connection issue, a baggage question, or need assistance navigating the airport. Employees cannot always change the rules, but being respectful and asking for help is often much more effective than becoming frustrated. A little kindness goes a long way. Secret number 5. Your phone is powerful, but don't depend on it completely. Travel in 2026 is more digital than ever. Boarding passes, flight updates, airport maps, notifications, almost everything can happen through your phone. But experienced travelers know one important rule: always have a backup plan. Your battery could die, your connection could fail, an app could stop working. Keep important information accessible. Save documents offline, and consider having backup copies of essential travel details. Technology is helpful, but preparation is even better. And speaking of being prepared, if you're getting ready for your next trip, I've added a few practical travel essentials in the description below. These are simple items that can make your journey more comfortable, organized, and easier to manage, especially on longer travel days. Now let's move on to another airport strategy many travelers overlook. Secret number 6. The quietest airport areas are often hidden. Large airports can feel overwhelming. Crowded gates, busy restaurants, constant announcements. But experienced travelers know that many airports have quieter areas most passengers never discover. A less crowded gate nearby, a seating area away from the main flow, a quiet corner near another terminal section. You don't always need to fight the crowds. Sometimes you just need to look beyond the obvious places. Secret number 7. The best airport travelers don't rush. And finally, one of the biggest secrets experienced travelers understand. A successful airport experience is not about doing everything as quickly as possible. It is about reducing unnecessary stress. Rushing creates mistakes, forgotten items, missed information, unnecessary anxiety. Experienced travelers build in extra time. They arrive prepared. They stay flexible. And they understand that a calm journey usually creates a better trip. Because the vacation does not begin when you reach your destination. It begins the moment you leave home. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which airport tips surprised you the most? Or do you have an airport secret that makes traveling easier? Share it in the comments below. Your experience could help another traveler. And if you enjoy practical travel advice designed especially for travelers over 50, make sure to subscribe for more airline tips, cruise advice, hotel guides, and smarter ways to explore the world. Until next time, safe travels.